I've seen 3 gar already, so that's not good for my hog at all.
Where'd he go? That bird is cool. He's gonna die for some fishes.
We're doing some night fishing tonight. Hopefully we can catch some catfish. You know what? I'm gonna get this body over here.
Oh, he's diving. He dove.
Oh my gosh.
Did he get it?
No. No. He's a gangster though. He's gonna get something good. What he's gonna get is a gar. He's gonna get a gar because they just sit right on top.
I caught him diving on a video. That was so cool.
Hey, yeah, that's good. I mean, that's good.
I hope he goes again.
Well, he's gonna go again as soon as he sees something good.
He is hunting.
I can't.
That was so cool. He just went straight in the water like splash. Do it again. Do it again. Dang it. I wanted to get a good video of him, but he got so close I couldn't see him. Well, he went too far.